Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Box Drive for secure cloud collaboration workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To download Box Drive, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Box website at box.com. Once on the home page, locate the Products section in the navigation menu. Hover over Products to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Box Drive. You will be directed to the Box Drive product page. Look for the Download button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on the Download button to initiate the download process. The website will automatically detect your operating system. If prompted, confirm the download by choosing the right version for your operating system. Wait for the download to complete. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Box Drive installation file and double-click it to begin installation. Follow the installation prompts that appear on your screen. Read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Select any additional settings or preferences as needed during the installation process. Click Install to complete the installation of Box Drive. Once installation is complete, launch Box Drive immediately. You will be prompted to sign in with your Box account credentials. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. After signing in, Box Drive will begin syncing your files with the cloud. You're now ready to use Box Drive for secure cloud collaboration workflows. Enjoy the seamless functionality and ease of access provided by Box Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.